Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about going shopping, specifically clothes shopping. We will also discuss colors and pronunciation of popular phrases that will help you when it comes to shopping in English. To begin with a warm-up, let's go over names of colors in English. Repeat after me. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Now, if a color ranges in variation, for example, this blue versus this blue, you can say light blue and dark blue. It's also important that you know this vocabulary. Repeat after me. Shirt, shirt, pants, pants, jacket, jacket, hat, hat. Now let's move on to some phrases. If you want to know the price of an item, say, "Excuse me, how much is this?" Excuse me, how much is this? How much is describing the price. How much money really is the question. If you want to put on the garment and you need a dressing room, you want to ask the worker, "Excuse me, can I try this on?" If you try the item on and there's a problem, you want to say, "It's too big," or "It's too small." The "it's" is referring to the piece of clothing, the shoes, the jacket, the shirt, the pants, you get it. Phrase number 4. If you like the clothing, but you don't like the color, you want to ask, "Do you have this in red, blue, purple, etc.?" The preposition you want to use there is in. Now the 5th phrase. If you love the clothing and everything is perfect, you want to say, "I'll take it." I'll is the combination of I will. I'll take it. It's future form. I will take it. Let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. Excuse me, how much is this? Can I try it on? It's too big. It's too small. Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in red? I'll take it. Perfect, you sound better already. Okay, now we're gonna go into our role play where you will be the customer and I will be the sales associate. I'm a sales associate, not a teacher. So get ready for the role play. We'll start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the store. Hi, welcome. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. $10. I do, actually. Here you go. Of course. Oh, how'd that work out for you? Oh. Do you want a smaller size? Okay. Here you go. Now, what do you think? Perfect. Let's go to the register. Okay, amazing job with that roleplay. You killed it. Okay, you did really good. The more you practice, the easier it will be, and the quicker you can speak. But don't go too fast at first. It's better to be slow and accurate. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. If you learned something, tell me in the comments below and let me know, what do you want to buy? A hat? A shirt? A new laptop like me? Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!